Hello and welcome to the video tutorial of Salesforce Weather Forecaster Lightning Component. This is the Lightning component that displays the complete weather information of your object page like leads, accounts, contacts, communities. It is available as a Lightning component for every object page. You can use this component on the community page as well to get the complete weather details based on city, country, or zip code. This is an extremely helpful component that will allow you to schedule the business meetings well in advance with your customers. You can cancel or reschedule the meeting based on the weather conditions. If you don't find the weather suitable for the meeting, you can reschedule or cancel it. So that's the added advantage you get once you install this Lightning component. So if I talk about its features, uh, you can easily track the complete weather info based on zip code, city name, or country. It also provides you an option to set the number of upcoming days well in advance. You can set it to 7, 8, or according to your requirement. The complete weather information details include sunrise and sunset time, wind speed, highest and lowest temperature, pressure, and the exact weather condition like it is cloudy, it is rainy, or sunny. Information like that you will be able to fetch. This feature is available on the home page and on every other record page like leads, accounts, contacts, contracts, communities, etc. We have optimized it for the Salesforce One mobile app as well. You can just install it there and configure it to use for your iPad or mobile phone. So if we have a user guide section here, you can click on it and you will need this user guide for your future reference if you need any assistance in the configuration or or any other, like if you need support from us, you can create a ticket over here. So you can make a note of this link for your future reference. Now we'll proceed with the installation of this component. You just need to visit App Exchange and select components from this drop down menu and type in there weather forecaster, smart weather forecaster, and click on search. Here you can see, uh, if you look at the appearance, it will appear like this on your home page. It will show you the complete weather details. We will just proceed with the installation now. Just click on get it now, and you need to log into the App Exchange with your Salesforce credentials. You need you need to have the login credentials in order to install this app. You cannot install it as a guest. You can select the first option if you want this component to install in your production app. Otherwise, you can select sandbox. Now these are the package details. You just need to agree to the terms and conditions and click on confirm and install. Now you need to log in with the credentials of the Salesforce org where you want this component to be installed. You can select the second option if you want it to install for all the users. Then click on install. This, this dialog box indicates that this component needs access to the third-party API. In this case, the third-party API is of Yahoo, so it is asking the access to this particular website. Just you need to put a check mark over here and click on continue. By doing this, you are granting access to the third-party website. You can see the installation is in progress. The installation is complete now. Just click on done, and then it will take you to the page with a list of all the installed packages. Now we'll proceed with the configuration of this Lightning component. Before we proceed with the configuration, we need to take care of two things. If you take a look at the user guide, you will see uh, it is required to register the domain first. In order to use any Lightning component in your Salesforce org, you need to register the domain first. So that's the step, that's the link which has been provided here. You just need to open the link and follow the steps given there. You can see These are the steps. Just go to setup, domain management, my domain, and select a suitable domain name for yourself, and then click on check availability. Once the domain is available, just proceed with these steps. If you have already registered the domain, you can skip this step. And one more thing you need to take care of is, once you get registered with the domain, please make sure that the custom tabs related to the weather forecaster component should be default on. You need to cross-verify this. I will show you how to do it. In the quick find search box, just type in there profile. Now just click on system admin. You need to check for the custom tab settings. You can see the weather forecaster lightning component. This should be default on. Once you verify this, let's proceed with the lightning configuration. We'll configure the home page first. We are on the home page now. Click on this gear icon and then click on edit page. This is the lightning app builder page for the home page. Now just scroll down a bit and select this component. You simply need to drag and drop to the location where you want it to appear. Once you set this to location, click on save and then click on activation. It will ask you to set this page as the default home page. Keep the first radio button selected and then click on next. Now you just need to click on activate. You can see the activation is successful now, and then get back to the home page to see if it is appearing there. You can see it appearing right here. You can also make some changes manually here. You can select these three options. Based on these three options, you can fetch the weather details. If you want to get the weather from city, you can select the first option and then enter the city name and click on submit. If you want to enter the zip code, you can get the weather details based on zip code. This is the third option, country name. You can select the country from here and accordingly city and then state and then click on submit. Similarly, we can configure this component for accounts page as well. I will show you the steps. You just need to open any account record and then click on edit page. Similarly, in the lightning app builder page, simply drag and drop the component to the location where you want it to appear. Click on save and then click on activation. It will appear like this in the accounts page as well. You can configure it manually based on three options and then click on submit. Similarly, you can configure this component for contacts, leads, and other record page as well. Now I will show you how to configure it for the community page. You just need to type in there communities. Click on all communities and then open the builder page from here. Click on components, scroll down a bit and then simply drag and drop this component to the location where you want it to appear. Now you can see it appearing here. Click on publish. You can see you will receive an email confirmation when your changes are live. Click on got it, and here you go with the weather forecaster component on the community page. You can manually configure it similarly as you did in for accounts and homepage. Just click on preview to see it appearing on your community page. Here you can go with the configuration based on these three options. As we discussed earlier, this is optimized for Salesforce One mobile app as well. So we will configure this component for Salesforce One mobile app. So in the quick find search box, just type in there Salesforce One navigation. Click on this Salesforce One navigation and add this component to the selected region. You just need to add this component, and if you want it at the topmost, take it to the topmost location. Click on save. Now we have added this component for Salesforce One mobile app as well. In the user guide section, if you click on Salesforce One mobile app settings, you can see it will appear like this in your iPad or mobile phone. Click on this tab. It will show you the weather details of the selected city. So that's all about the configuration part of this component. For any other issue related to configuration, or you want any kind of customization, just need to click on support and you can create a ticket at webkul.com/ticket. We will get back to you shortly once you create any ticket. If you want to have a look at some of the other applications created by Webkul, just visit the App Exchange and type in the keyword Webkul in the search box and click on search. You can see the list of Salesforce application created by Webkul. You can install any one of them that most suits your business requirement. Feel free to create a ticket at the website I mentioned in the user guide page. I hope you must have liked this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.